Hello, my name is Dr. Alireza Moshaverinia. I'm a board-certified prosthodontist and a professor at UCLA School of Dentistry. I also serve as the Director of Laboratory for Biomaterials Innovation and Tissue Engineering, or BITE, at the Weintraub Center for Reconstructive Biotechnology. My research focuses on the development of novel dental biomaterials for craniofacial tissue engineering. One of the most pressing issues we face in dentistry today is dental decay, which remains the most common dental disease in the United States and the leading cause of tooth loss, especially in young adults. Typically, decay is treated by removing the affected portion of tooth and restoring the structure using a dental filling material. Unfortunately, one of the major challenges in this treatment is secondary or recurrent decay, which can lead to restoration failure and additional tooth damage over time. There is an urgent need to develop new dental restorative materials with remineralization functions that reduce recurrent decay. Recognizing this unmet need, I have developed a solution that we have named it Dopamer. Dopamer is a novel dental filling material designed not only to restore the tooth structure, but also to actively promote remineralization and combat the bacteria responsible for tooth decay. By combining remineralization and antibacterial properties, Dopamer addresses the root causes of secondary tooth decay, ensuring more durable, long-lasting restorations. At Dopamer, our mission is to transform preventive dentistry by providing innovative and cost-effective solutions that enhance oral health for everyone, from children to adults. With Dopamer, we aim to tackle the global challenge of dental decay and significantly reduce this burden. Looking ahead, I'm excited to share my plans to launch a startup based on this groundbreaking technology. I have a strong vision for Dopamer's future, with plans to commercializing it and bring this innovative solution to market. Currently, we are seeking partners and investors because our goal is to see Dopamer being used in every dental clinic and readily available to professionals and patients everywhere. By translating this technology from lab to real-world applications, I hope to make a long-lasting impact on the field of dentistry and improve oral health outcomes globally. Thank you.